I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to pass through 3 points. So let's just give any random 3 points. These points, and these points. So this will be points A, B, C. So the first thing to do is to join the points to each other. Let's join A to B and B to C. So if you've joined 2 points, you don't need to join the third. So I don't need to join A to C again. So all I need to join is A to B and B to C. And the next stage is to bisect A, B, and B, C. So the bisection procedure, I've already talked about it, so I'll just explain it. So you just open your compass, draw an arc upwards. So, but your compass should be open to a radius that is slightly more than half of the length of the line you want to bisect. Then you cut upwards and cut bottom. Then you go to the other edge of the line, cut upwards, cut the previous arc to intersect the previous arc, then intersect the bottom arc. So you can see there are 2 intersections. This is the first intersection here. So I'm dotting it. This is the second intersection. Then you join them together. So that's how to bisect a line. So this procedure, I've just bisected line BC. So now I'll repeat the same procedure for AB. So now as you can see, folks, I've just bisected AB. Now you can see that these bisectors, they intersect at the point. So this is, if I were to zoom in, this is the point, very close to this dot. So then that will be the center of the circle. All you need to do is put your compass point at that, and then open to any of those points. You can see that it will actually pass through the 3 points. So that shows that it is actually the center. So I'm adjusting that. Yes, here we go. It actually passes through. So I'll trace the circle using those 3 points. So actually I've made a mistake somewhere. So here we go. This is the circle that passes through 3 given points A, B, and C. Thanks for watching.